in slowly.
Ayos ah.
In the house.
Ako na lang. Oo pa. Yan.
Oh, really good.
One, two, three, go!
Also, but we are going to do that. Cool. Okay? When we are.
How do you know that?
But because now you're taking place and this is the way.
Ah.
Okay? That's the place for this part. Okay, now, because maybe they also want to jump in the water, let's go to let them assemble. Because now it's right and it's first, we have to try that this is really sound. And and we pass the last. Robert, how many days are you going to stay here?
I'm here until 2 January.
Tuesday. Yeah, I think that's small.
Excuse me.
Fragile and the water should not come in. Then we are going to put it. We have to, here. Oh, this is good. You start to know the equipment. Before to save everything, we are missing something here. I can't see. You are, and before save it because
Working? First time, di mo? Pareha sila. First time.
First time ko nakatulog niya. Na may dive, scuba,
Lagi. Huh?
Why?
oh my! I do not deserve your relationship. Try to remove the regulation.
Is it open? Okay to open.
Yeah. Right.
Now you are going to close with your lips the surrounding of the mouthpiece, and you just put your teeth like biting there. Okay? and don't press the screen. Okay? So, Baba. Your throat is a little bit dry. This is normal because the compressed air is not filling. Don't try to make some saliva. I don't know.
Ay, kuyog ka nga daw, tay?
Kuyog.
Pwede na ako lang sa likod.
Fantastic. Good. Okay. Hold. Yeah.
Ano ka, tay?
Adrian. It's warm. Okay.
Also,
Right? It's okay. It's okay.
Ay, chicken dog.
Paningot na kaya. It's okay. Hello. Naa. So guys, we're going to the pool. Ay, charot.
let's go in slowly.
Ay, abot ng tubig.
Ay, sa.
In the house. Oh, really good. Okay, guys. Always that I have to do that? Okay, before we need to move on the corner or middle? Corner? Okay, sorry. To allow the people move, to swim, what we're going to do is lie on our back and swim back.
Layo to ba yan? Dili lang mo na. Yeah, you can do skills here in the shallow part.
Okay.
Yeah.
I do that for the people.
Yeah.
Oh, because I feel the whale shark and like that, because I don't know who is that person, no? And you want to take it out. In that case, we are going to practice recover regulator. The regulator is not going to be her hand. We are going to let it. No, so nervous, but this is of course always first time, but you're doing so good. Bubbles, you remember everything. Very good. Okay, now we are going to do 2 more skills. Okay? first skill is going to be clear your mask of water. Because can happen like before, or you smile, okay, maybe you say something funny, you smile and some water comes in. We need to know how to clear it to avoid go up and continue the dive, yeah? Then, to practice it, first thing that we are going to do, because we have to simulate that we have water, is just open a bit of plastic, or the plastic part of the mask.
Go to that. In my phone. How does that?
Ay, nakita.
So we don't know how to. Sometimes I say that we are like a ballet dancer, okay? At the beginning, the idea is that you try to feel like this is like a straight, no?
Because
From
it
the
hurts
back.
here.
It's hurt?
Yeah. When you
Yeah, because it's more hard. And also there are different muscles that we start to use with the feet. We start to move muscles that walking we don't use it. The beginning is a little bit tricky, but it's with the time. The idea is that you try to.
Lingkuran na lingkuran.
Okay, mo lihok ra bang kuan. Lingkod ya. Watch out.
Okay. Right hand.
Oh, dapat abang diri lah mga abang kita.
Inflate na yan. Inflate your busy. Inflate. Left hand. Kamot.
One, two, three, go!
Ah.
Oh. Sige, nag-drive ni mo. First time pa ning nag-lawom.
First time pa ni.
Oh, mama.
Bye. See you. Enjoy. Okay.
I saw yesterday and today there was something like a smoke within the stone.
Yeah, this is fishing. Sometimes the rock, but you can see. As soon as they move it, you can see the smoke. But it's like a mold.
We were
Oh, yeah. Bid sila sa ilalom.
may ikon sa cellphone.
Okay, download na mo ko app.
Katong gibuhian na ka. Ito, dagan dito.
Oo, bitaw ito ba. Kanya ko ni sakit.
Babaw na po. Tiga, kamay na ko sa sigo kanan nimo. Yan ang lawak ko. Kanan mo ka kaya yung